Hi, I'm Eric Lanask. We're here at Editor's Day in Santa Clara. On the program with me this afternoon from Vivalnk is Jong Lee. Jong, thank you for joining me.
Thank you, Eric.
So this whole Internet of Things, wearable technology world really is starting to grow very quickly. People are talking a lot about it, creating a lot of opportunities for companies. Vivalnk is doing something a little bit different around wearable technologies, but it's pretty exciting. Tell me about it.
Sure. So actually in Vivalnk, we have a technology we call the e-skin, electronic skin.
Mm-hmm.
So what we do is we are able to integrate different kind of sensors onto a thin, soft, and stretchable substrate so that we can easily put it into a patch form factor, like a bandage. And we can put this kind of a sensor bandage onto any location of the body. So essentially, we can make very comfortable wearable devices with medical-grade accuracy.
What kind of things are these sensors for? What are people going to be measuring?
So we just announced our first sensor product. It's called the Fever Scout. It does continuous monitoring of your body temperature. So this is the first product we just introduced to the market. And following products we're going to introduce will have different sensor functions, like be able to monitor your heart condition, your blood pressure, and the respiratory rate, and so forth. It will come out in the next few months.
So a lot of medical and healthcare kind of applications.
That's right. That's right.
Are there other? Do you foresee other kinds of applications as well? Certainly there might be others that you can come up with.
Oh yeah. So actually, with this kind of sensor technology, it can either go to more medical application or it can go to personal well-being management. Mm-hmm. Just give you a few examples, right? So for a person working in any high stressful conditions, let's say I'm a CEO working in a company very stressful and a fireman working in a fire department very stressful, then you can use this kind of patch to accurately monitor their stress level and give their advices in our app so that they can manage their stress level much better. Mm-hmm. So that will be one.
What is the actual application of the sensors onto the skin like? What kind of a process is that?
So in general, we have a very soft patch, and then we have adhesives go together with it. Then when you use it, we take the patch and put on the replaceable adhesive. Then you put on the body and stay on the body for a couple of days. Then you can take that patch off, then change the adhesive, and reapply it. Okay. So the patch itself, it can be used multiple times. And then the adhesive is one-time use.
Got it. Very neat. Is it waterproof?
Yes, it's waterproof. Yeah.
Very exciting. So swimming, shower, so it stays on all the time.
It stays on all the time. That's one of the key advantage. It provides the continuous monitoring capability for the person who wearing it.
How is it powered? It's
powered by, in this product, it's powered by a very tiny battery, and then it's enable a Bluetooth communication with your smart devices like cell phone or tablets.
And you create the applications too, the mobile apps?
That's right. We have mobile apps, and actually we also have cloud database so that you can store your data not only on your phone but on the cloud to share with your friends and families, or in the future share with your doctors.
What do you envision the distribution being like? Is it going to be through regular retail channels or through healthcare facilities and doctors and physicians, or?
These are all possible channels. So for this first product right now, because it's monitoring your temperature, and so we are sending it online, and then we are also working with some large brand company to sell into the retail stores together.
And do you have a sense of what is the cost going to be?
For this product, Fever Scout, we call it, the cost will be $59 retail price, and then it will include a patch and the 10 replaceable adhesive strips, as well as a charging station.
So you've got 10 replaceable adhesives.
Right.
How long does the sensor itself last?
The sensor lasts for years. Actually,
okay.
it really can be reused many times. And then also the battery is rechargeable. We have a charging station so that it charges for a few hours, then you can use it for a week.
Wow, that's pretty fantastic.
That's right. That's right.
What gave you the idea to come up with this, with the product and with the company, with the product line?
So actually, myself, I've been working in the printed electronics and the flexible electronic industry for about 10 years. So my background really in this field. And then with a couple of my co-founders, they are very good at the material science and electrical engineering. So we kind of come together idea to make this kind of electronic skin product. And then we figure out it will be great to apply for digital health monitoring field. That's why we just create product along this line.
Well, certainly very exciting stuff. Very real and usable applications from what you've from what you've described, and I imagine the use cases and will only continue to evolve. So it's going to be a very exciting industry to follow.
Certainly.
Great. John, thank you very much for joining us.
Yeah, thank you.